Hi there, my name's Miles Pitcher. I'm the owner of Superior Lending. We do mortgages. We help people get into homes and achieve that dream of home ownership. Part of that obviously is credit scores and how collections affect people's credit scores. So I wanted to do a quick video today on should you pay off those collections, because you can get a mortgage while still having a collection, but boy, those collections just punch your credit scores in the gut. So let's go through a few tips, a few things on that. But if you find my video of any value, would you give it a like and then a subscribe? Thank you so much for that. All right. So first, what type of collection is it? Medical or not medical? So recently, we've had a change in laws on medical collections. So number one, it used to be there was a 6-month period where you could negotiate with insurance, hospital, et cetera, to try to get things worked out before they put a collection on. That has now been expanded out to 1 year, and that's awesome. That's good. Number two, if the collection is under $500, it should not show up on your credit report. Number three, if the medical collection, sorry, and I'm talking medical collections just in case I didn't make that clear. If the medical collection gets paid off, paid to zero, it is supposed to immediately be removed off your credit report. In the past, it used to linger on and hang on your report showing as a paid collection, which would still hold down your credit score. So good changes, positive changes in the medical collections area. Now, if it's not medical, let's talk through that, okay? So how old is the collection? Did you realize that if you pay off and settle a collection, that a newer collection has less effect on your credit score than paying off an older one or something like 5 years old? Pretty cool to know that, okay? And then I always ask, do you legitimately owe the debt? If you do really legitimately owe the debt, do the right thing and pay it, okay? The next slide will give you some tips and strategies on that. But if it's truly a mistake and you don't owe the money, that's where you need to work with the credit bureaus, the creditor or the company that put the collection on, investigate it, dispute it, and get it removed off your credit, okay? Now, here's some strategies. Number one, I know everybody wants to negotiate a lower balance on the collection. Please, when you start negotiating, work on getting the collection removed off your credit report, number one. That should be your number one negotiation. Because even if you pay the collection, right, and we're talking non-medical right now, if you pay the collection to zero, even at a discounted amount, it's going to still hang on your credit report for years and hurt your credit score. So sometimes it's wiser to get them to remove, if you can, the collection off your credit report fully and pay the full amount. Okay. So start with removal first, then second, go to a discounted amount. And you may have some success there, you may not. But in our viewpoint, it's more important to get your credit report clean and get that collection off of there. If you need any help on this, please feel free to reach out to my team. Like I said, we do mortgages, but we love helping our clients get better rates, get the loans they need, and achieve that dream of home ownership. We're happy to help. So please reach out here. Have a great day.